everyone. The binary operation star defined by A star B equals AB plus A plus B for all A, B in all real numbers. We're going to show that these are equivalent, prove that our binary operation is associative, find the identity element for star, the inverse, and the inverse for 5. So the inverse of A and inverse of 5. So we're going to start with this part right here, given that. So we have an A and a B, and what you're going to do is we're going to start with this first part. So 3 star 2 star 4. So when we're looking at this, this is like your A star B. So you're going to write for A, that's going to be A star B. So this is A, and this is B. This is going to be 6 plus 3 plus 2. So I did that. And then we have star 4. Now, adding this up, you get 11 star 4. Now we have to repeat what we did. So in this case, this is A star B. So do that again, and we're going to run it through it again. So that's going to be 11 times 4. AB is 44 plus A plus B. And this equals 59. All right, now we're going to do this side. We have to do both sides. So we have 3 star 2 star 4. So in this case, this is your A star B. So you're going to get, just do 3 star, and then we're going to do this part first. So that's going to be 8 multiply 2 times 4, and then you add your 2 and your 4. So this gives you 3 star 14. All right, now we have another A star B. So you run that through again. So that's going to be, let's see, 42. 3 times 14 is 42, plus 3 plus 14, and this equals 59. So they do equal each other. Now for our second question, we have to prove that star, our binary operation, is associative. So we need to prove that A star B star C equals A star B star C. So let's take this away. So for this first part, we're going to write this as, and again, we're using this formula. We have AB plus A plus B, and then star C. Okay, so this is going to equal, now you're doing this again. So this part is your A and B. So you're going to get AB plus A plus B times C plus AB plus A plus B plus C. So this is going to give you ABC plus AC plus BC equals, or not equals, but plus AB plus A plus B plus C. So that's all of that. Now we have to go the other way and we're doing A star B star C. So this equals A star, and then expand this according to this formula. That's going to be BC plus B plus C. So that's going to give you A times BC plus B plus C plus, and then you have A plus BC plus B plus C. And expanding further, we get ABC plus AB plus AC plus A plus BC plus B plus C. And this simplifies to ABC plus AC plus BC plus AB plus A plus B plus C. Because you want these two to look alike. All right. So hence, star is associative. All right. Next, we have to find the identity element. So we need to find a unique value such that A star E equals E star A, which equals A. For all A, that's a real number. So for A star E, and we're looking at this gives us, A star E gives you AE plus A plus E, and that's equals A. So we have AE, the A's cancel, AE, these cancel, you subtract, plus E equals 0. So E, factor out the E, you get A plus 1 equals 0. So E equals 0. And you should check this as well. And you'll get the same result. So you can check this. I'll let you check that. Now next, what do we have to do? We have to find the inverse of A. So for the inverse of A, we need A inverse. So that means A star A inverse equals A inverse star A equals E. We know we already got our E, and E is 0. So basically this gives us, based off this, with our formula, A star A to the negative 1 plus A inverse equals E, and our E is 0. So I factor out an A inverse. We get A inverse times A plus 1 equals, let's subtract this A, negative A. Therefore, A inverse equals negative A divided by A plus 1. And you should also check A inverse star A should give you the same result, but you should check it out. The restriction here that we have to state is that A cannot be negative 1, because you can't divide by negative. Okay, so the inverse of 5. So the inverse of 5 is going to be inverse of 5 equals negative 5 divided by 5 plus 1, and that's going to give you negative 5/6. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.